Hello everybody, I greet you according to your time. In this video you are about to watch is how the student of Ambrose University, Ekpoma, Nigeria manufactured a solar hand sanitizer machine. Just take a look and watch the video and see how it works. Wow.
I don't want to just talking because I've already tested you before. I want to know whether I should go to hospital or whether I should continue.
Please wash your hands properly with the automated hand washing machine.
My temperature has just shown that it's 36.7. So I don't need to go to any hospital.
In line with the federal government directive tasking research, tertiary and other institutions to come out with prevention and cure for the COVID-19 pandemic, the Ambrose University in Ekpoma has invented an automated solar-powered hand-washing sanitizer with a temperature detector and a ventilator to help cure the spread of the pandemic and enhance safety among Nigerians. The team leaders of the group that invented the solar sanitizer, Professor Osanje Igodalo and Dr. Omotosho, gave an in-depth explanation on how the machine works.
I want to go to some of the features of the machine we have. Automatic soap dispensing, automatic water dispensing, and then you have temperature measurement and indication. You also have audio information dissemination, all combined in one. This makes the system hands-free. That enhances the safety of the user, and everything also is powered by solar.
To Ambrose University. Please wash your hands properly with the automated hand washing machine.
So the soap level, the soap is made available, and then down we have the water flow, and that is done. While doing that, the temperature is indicated for the user. So that's 36.7
Ambrose University. Please wash your hands properly with the automated hand washing machine.
Also provision for a host to a public drain. These are some features that have been introduced to the system.
This
is how it will be ventilating the lungs.
This is a measure to ensure the price they get to
The Vice Chancellor, Ambrose University, Professor Ignatius Onimawo, who was thrilled by the invention, called for support from government at all levels, private and public partners, to aid the mass distribution of the machines so it can be distributed in public places.
To say that it's our response to solving the problem of COVID-19 in Nigeria. That's what we do. I'm calling on the federal government, the central bank, the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19, and all the rate partners to come and partner with us so that we can mass produce this. We can have the patent and get it mass produced. We can distribute it to other universities, other institutions, financial institutions. Because I know in some banks now you must wash your hand and all that. Instead of going through all those various processes, this is just one process that will test your temperature. As soon as you come close, your temperature will show. It will tell you to put your hands, and you see it's also audio. You can hear it talk, it even educates people. This is the type that even if you don't have anybody around, as long as you put the machine will talk to you.
Others bear their minds on the invention.
It's because of the encouragement we received from the Vice Chancellor, who challenged us to do something outstanding that will make impact and make our university more visible among the community of universities in this country. That was indeed the driving force.
The design that we produced, and it came around to say, look, it's functioning the way other ventilators are functioning.
The way to go these days is with enough technology, and we don't need to rely on the foreign products as it were.
The automated solar-powered hand-washing sanitizer machine with a temperature detector has various options, which includes audio information dissemination, automatic water and soap dispenser, and a temperature detector and a convenient water disposal channel.